It does not matter which template that you've chosen. What I'm about to show you is going to give you enough knowledge to pick any template that you want and to create your lead capture page, because there's only a couple of very basic steps, and everything about creating these templates is point and click. And so if you understand the basics of what I'm about to show you, you can pick any template and be a master at creating a lead capture page from these templates. So I'm going to choose this one in the middle called Survey Appears on Time Delay. I'm going to choose the one over here on the left that looks like it has a white opt-in form. I'm going to click Choose. And the first thing I want to point out is it's asking you to name your page. Now, anytime you ever create a lead capture page, a sales page, whenever you copy a page, the accumulation of all of those pages is going to end up in a section called My Web Pages. The way you get to My Web Pages is hover over Websites, hover over Web Pages, and click on My Web Pages. Now, the only reason I take the time to point that out is because it's important that you name your pages something that's very clear to you. So when you're going back and you're looking at a big long list of pages that you've created over time, it's going to be nice for you to have thought about how you wanted to label it, so you could find that page and you know what it is. And you're the only one that sees the name of your page. That's not shown anywhere else or seen anywhere else except for you to see it. So name your page how you want to name it, how you can find it. This right here is what you want to name your meta tag or your title tag. Now, if you're not sure what that is, it's the very top little tab here on your lead capture page. Whatever you want it to say inside that little tab, you can just type that right here. Okay, now, step 2. This is giving me the option to delay my forms to appear if I want them. In other words, when my prospect lands on this lead capture page, do I want the opt-in forms to have a delay or not? Well, if I do, I can click this circle here, and I can delay those forms to come out however long I want to delay it. Let's say 10 seconds. Step 3. What autoresponder campaign do I want my prospects to receive when they opt into this lead capture page? If you've ever created an autoresponder campaign previously and you've named it, then that autoresponder campaign is going to show up in this drop-down menu right here. Step 4. Select a domain to use with this web page. Well, one of the things that I love is I can choose to use a domain that I've already have in my system, or I can create a subdomain on the fly right here on the spot. So I'm just going to call this lead capture for now. And then I've got a step 5 here. It's asking me something about prospects after completing the survey. Okay, what that means is it's asking you what page do you want your prospects to see immediately after they opt in. If you wanted your prospects to land on a PLS Hangout after they opted in, all you would do is just select this right here, and it's that simple. I'm just going to choose a website that's outside of our system just to show you an example, and I'm going to click Save My Changes. And like any of these templates, it's just going to walk you through the steps that are required to complete this particular template. And so right now, I'm on the Edit Text section. And what I can do is I can easily edit anything that I see on this page. For example, if I click on this banner, I can select a banner inside here to use along the top. I can go find a banner. I can go to Google and type in banners and look for a banner online that I can save to my desktop and upload to my system. And all I do is just click on Browse and then click on Submit, and I can upload my own banner. For example, I uploaded this banner doing a search, and I found this online, and I just copied it and uploaded it to my computer. So however you want to do that is up to you. I can click on this text right here. I can easily change this. I can center it. I can make it really big. Okay. And I can change the color, the font, anything you want. And then when you're done, just click OK. And now I've got some text here above the opt-in form. I can click on that. I can change that to whatever I want, change the font, size, color. When I'm done, I just click OK. And as you can see, all of this is just very simple point and click. I'm now on the set background section, so I'm going to do that. I'm just going to choose a background. Now all you have to do is just move these circles around, and it's going to allow you to choose and create whatever color that you want for the background. And when you're done, just click right here where it says click here to save. And now I'm going to select the video location. Now I can leave this top radio button checked and just click Save Changes, and that's going to allow me to choose any video within our video library, or I'm going to hit my back arrow. I can select right here where it says I want to use a video for another website, from another website, for example YouTube. And so it's asking me to paste the embed code from a YouTube video. Every video from YouTube has something right below it that says share, so you're just going to click on that, and then you're just going to click on embed. And what I'm going to recommend that you click on here where it says use old embed code, and make sure that suggested videos, when the video finishes, make sure that's unchecked. And I'm going to right click and click select all, and then just copy this entire code. And I'm just going to come back and I'm going to paste that code right here and click start video automatically, and then save my changes. And that's it. With just a few clicks and a couple of minutes here, I have created my own lead capture page, and you'll notice right here,
so many battles waged over the...
My opt-in forms appeared after about 10 seconds, just like I told it to do. Now, I realize that there's a lot of different templates. You may be watching this instructional video under another template, but what I've just shown you is the basics, and this is going to allow you to work your way through any template that you find in this section. You're going to be able to create a lead capture page from a template just by following the step-by-step instructions that are given you as you walk through the steps. So I hope that helps. You're going to find that this is really helpful with your marketing, and good luck creating your lead capture pages.